Talking about one of the months that is quite significant in the year, I think November is actually one month that we can't all overlook because it is tagged as a month of Thanksgiving across the globe, home and abroad, and across Nigeria. So ladies and gentlemen, it's such a great honor to invite you to the Naomi Mark Experience 2021 as we all out here to celebrate 30 years of God's grace, the launch of our EP, and also a relaunch of our fashion brand. I'm super excited because Naomi Mark is actually one of the forces that you can't just look down on. I mean, she's actually one of the contestants of the just concluded The Voice and Nigeria 2021. So ladies and gentlemen, come along with me as I bring to you amazing guests ready to grace this black carpet tonight to celebrate God's grace on Naomi Mark. Come along with me. It's your girl, Anybody. Talking about the women of the movement, celebrating 30 years of God's grace, and also the release of our EP, and also a relaunch of our fashion brand. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Naomi Mark of the Naomi Mark Experience. What's going on?
Hi.
Tell me how super excited you are tonight.
As in, I'm so excited that I can't even put my words together.
You know.
I remember when they put up this red carpet, I came here and I was like, so I can actually have a red carpet, I can actually have an event. Oh my God.
Okay, so Naomi Mark, let's talk about your journey to The Voice in Nigeria. Tell me one of your greatest highlights.
I think every moment on that stage was an highlight for me. Mm-hmm. From the blinds to the knockouts to the battles. Right. Every moment, the live was mind-blowing. Every time I had to go on stage, it was big.
Okay.
And I owe it all to God because the outcome was simply amazing. I didn't even expect such outcome. Right. And I'm really grateful to God that happened. Look at where we are today.
Yes. you, oh God. How many of you love Jesus tonight? Say, I love you, oh God. Let's reply to him. I love you, oh Lord. I love you. Oh yes, guys, it's Naomi Mac Experience, and with me here is I'll call him a friend of Naomi Mac. Oh my God, OMG live band. Good evening, boss.
Thank you. I'm good. How are you doing?
See you again.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so tell me, what should we be expecting from you tonight?
Whatever the Lord brings, you know. But first of all, like I said the other time, I'm here to enjoy Naomi Mac's talents. You know, like that girl has talents for generations. You know, so I'm first here to be blessed. Then by God's grace, we'll bless people too. You know, so overall, it's going to be an amazing event. You know,
Okay, so what are you expecting from our EP tonight?
to be blown off. You know, like I'm so confident that however high my expectations are, she's going to go higher. You know, like she's just too much.
And I love what I'm seeing here tonight. First of all, you guys are so proud of Naomi. Put your hands together for her. First time I met Naomi, you know, she was even nowhere close to where she is now, you know. But already, I just knew it was a matter of time. I was just like, this girl is going somewhere. And if you just have the opportunity, say maybe she call you, say you should assist her with something. You are the one that is being blessed because you are part of something great that is about to happen in your life. You know, as sometimes when you see the way God give people gifts, they're just like, what's happening? God don't give her only a gift of like 4 generations. And when she sings, you know, amazing. And put your hands together for those backups, man. Those guys are amazing. This is what I like to see. This is what I've been saying all the while. Gospel music, we need to bring out excellence. Because the last time they do excellence. So we need to. All of those days of, you know, and if people don't find excellence in church, they will go outside, you know. What's my key? Now, let's do one choir master one time. You know, yeah, likes music, but the church is not giving me the sweet music way they want, you know. So, it will just listen small, but we'll come back to church and we'll just worship. This is the guy on the piano. And I think people are dragging with me that you know him more than people will. Let me take you deeper. One ní àgbàgbọ́ bílá, tẹ́lẹ̀ lọ́dúnwá. Ẹ túmọ̀ ẹ náà. Òun yóò sì nílẹ̀ fún ìgbà. Ṣé túmọ̀ ilé? Okay, this one, everybody will know this one. One ní àfọ̀npẹ́ fún that is coming. Let's go. Okay. 1.5 hours to 2 hours. So that's why we're rushing this thing. You get. But make sure you are there December 24th, Friday, you get. But not just do somebody today. Are you ready? What you have to do? What? Oh, you have to me. It's on, it's on, it's on, it's on, it's I want to tell you the story of my life. What's Monica? Monty son Saboni Moki, Azikape. Dedicated to the Gen Z children in the building. Not really Gen Z, sir. You people, how many of you people did choreography when you were younger? I'm getting somewhere. You know, the Bible says to not be conformed with the ideas of the world, but transform your mind with the Holy Spirit. But bring it on. There's a further thinking to that part because here we are not trying to be conformed to the ideas of the world. But when all the ideas were there to use, the world don't carry them. Which one we get? So the ones they carry, we take it back and drag it and bring it back to the kingdom. So you know where I'm getting to. I'm getting somewhere. But let's start with the choreography. You have to get your choreography. Are you ready? Put it on. But that's how we will suffer. I will worship the Lord for you. You will say,
So she don't need look down on me, I don't need look up to her. No, I just got stay there. Say I don't need hard rate. Yeah. So I just ask now see us sit down, but you say we want on this place to WhatsApp group chat. So we want on admin. But sorry. I always assume say everybody know me. So I know they like it, but I go just so my name is Kenny Black. Ignore the Ejigbo people. Ignore the people. I don't stay in Ejigbo again. And Ejigbo amazing. Yes, from Ejigbo. That's about the Ejigbo. So my name is Kenny Black. I'm an upcoming comedian. I never blow, but I go blow on Wednesday. You know why? Like I tell them. Okay, on Wednesday, on the 17th of November, Wednesday, this small boy you are seeing here is the first Nigerian-based comedian in West Africa to have a Netflix special. So I'm going to be on Netflix on November 7th. That's before I tell you about your own love. The 17th of November, please go to your Netflix and check in my room Kenny Black Comedy Special. No, I'll give you away, but no. So we're here to celebrate Naomi Mark, and many of us know as creatives, people only see the success story. They don't know the flame into fame. They don't know the things we go through. So many of us know Naomi Mark as, she went to some competitions. I mean, she went to, I think, yes, went to competitions. You don't win. Abi? I don't know. No. To me, we don't know. This is what you win, But at the same time, even with all those competitions, she's still standing strong. She's still coming out. Before the competition, I've known Naomi Mark at the same for almost everywhere, even for our fellowship. She's always there killing it. But today we are celebrating what we see. But there are some things we don't know about you, Naomi Mark. Explain to us the flame into fame story. What happened? Or did you just wake up one morning and said, I want to be Naomi Mark, I want to start singing? Because that's your family. I wonder what money division would look like. And will sound like. Have you ever pictured that thing? How money division will sound like in their family? She's singing, then one said is thinking, and you becoming, what's wrong with you? So what's the story? Don't tell us the things that the good things. I know that there's somebody here tonight that will be inspired with your story. I know that there are people who feel like giving up because the country is don't want to say gas now. And some people are looking at all these things as creative. So explain to us, what is the story?
Okay. Once again, thank you very much for being here. Part of my journey from the day I was born up until now. And I would love you guys to join me and appreciate this amazing man, my biological father, Mr. Mark Yes. And one of us right here, my mom, she's late, but before she left us, she literally vomits inside us the doctrines of God, and she warned us, enough you try. If you try and you step out, you're gone. With fear and reverence, you stay. And I love you so much, Mom, wherever you are. And we know you're in a good place. So my story, I'm going to be brief about it because of time. But it started when I was a child. This part of the story was told to me by my mom. I know a couple of people must have heard me say from being confirmed dead when I released that stuff for my EP. And when I was a child, at first I had asthma. And on one particular occasion, my mom, she's a very spiritual woman, by the way, she was, and she said she had a dream. And in the dream, she looked up to the sky and saw a man on the throne, and the man told her, I've told you to always praise me every time. Go back into your room, bring your baby out, throw her up 3 times, and say hallelujah 3 times. And she did that in the dream. And when she woke up, it was midnight, and she did that in the physical. And that was the end of the asthma in my life. Fast forward to when I grew up. A little bit more, the devil struck again. And this time around, we weren't really sure what happened to me. And I think I had yellow fever or something like that. And my mom had to run up and down. Trust me, we did not come from a good place. They said we're not born with a silver spoon. We're not born with even a plastic spoon, no wooden spoon. We're not born with a spoon at all. that kind of thing. So it was hard. And my mommy and my dad took me all up and down after a pastor prayed, and they took me to this hospital back then. Should I say the name? It's fine. I don't know. And the doctor looked at me and pulled my skin and all of that, and he said, "It's law." For those who don't understand it, it means this one is gone. Like there's no life in this one anymore. I was a child, and he closed his door and asked us to leave. No hope, no money, nothing. And a friend of my mom showed us one church like that. You know those churches that used to have this maternity ward, something that their mothers will born inside their hair, that kind of thing. Then my mom took me there, and the lady told my mom that, "Madam, I will not lie to you. This girl is literally gone. Like, she's gone. But if you can have faith, let's see what God can do." And my dad they wrote some things for my dad, and he had to get some medications, and I don't know where he got them from. Me, I was aware they now have no child. So, and someone that left the hospital around like 12 a.m. and came back before morning with all the medications. And they started the treatment. I don't know the exact thing that I did to the devil, but trust me, everything I'm saying here tonight, my sisters are right here. Every single one of them have a story to tell. I went for Nigerian Idol, I made top 30. I was one of the first set that made top 30. And myself and my sister Blessing we're going to the bank one day, and Nigeria is amazing. And then we were about to cross the road. I had looked to the right direction, I had looked to the left direction, it was clear. And I tried to cross. And all of a sudden there was a bike. In the one-way direction. People will wonder why I'm saying this story this way. For me, it's been from one fight for survival to another. And I felt like, do I always have to fight? Like, can't I just have one moment of my life that's just enjoyment? Sometimes you really just have to fight because this devil guy is not smiling. And guess what? I believe that happens because he has seen what you carry. The bike ran into me and fell down. I remember a part my sister said, Naomi again. And I was like, again what? God.